Nano ba po kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Yako Iloy season ning Meron Pampanga. Ngayon nga dongay ni at kami po Dolores, San Fernando, Pampanga para i-feature Mia for the third time. Ini pong metong karing seafood restaurant kay ni San Fernando. Apin po ining Crabs and Crack. In this vlog, we would like to congratulate them kasi apin po ining second branch the. So yung second branch ng Crabs and Crack is located kini pong Jumbo Jenra, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark kini itang Dolores intersection. Excited kami po. As always, seafood has a special part in my tummy. So tara lang tala po rin karelang pamangan. O ito kung yun yung second floor na ning kaya katamong dining. Yan o. As per kaya katamong orientation, this room, the entire room can actually hold 45 persons at any given time. So 45 persons max. That means more dining area, more chances of experiencing great seafood dining. Nantala pa po. Hi, hello. Sige natin dito, sir. Sige. Alright. Oh, look at that steam. Thank you. There you go. Yeah. Video ya, Pak. Okay, so before we officially start the fiesta, once again, we would like to thank Crabs and Crack for inviting us for the third time. And congratulations mo naman for their second branch. So, in second branch na po, Achuya Kenny, Jumbo Jenra, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And as you can see, as always, very generous when sa kanilang mga invitations po. So again, thank you and congratulations. Okay, so let's get into the food. Yung karelang chili garlic crab. Look at that. And then ining bayodang bucket. So ining Thai coconut curry dang. So new in the menu. Okay, so before we officially start eating, we would like to mention, so on May 21, mag-officially launch siya po ining Dolores Jumbo Jenra branch da. And on May 21, 22, and 23, atin lang pong special promo kaya katamo. Wow. So, each bucket is gonna be 20% off karing dining if you dine in here. And now, kung buri mo naman take out, it's gonna be buy one, take one. Wow! Except for the rice, syempre. Nung nano mo po itang serving, proper serving, apin po itang i-take out. Pero grabe, buy one, take one. And then 20% off keng dining. So, that's gonna be on May 21, 22, and 23. It's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So, again, congratulations po, Crabs and Crack. So, next video you're gonna see us is gonna be taste testing everything. So, enjoy watching. Mga tana po. Since first time nila takman ba yung karelang stuffed pusit, ang pong isang sizzling sisig da. Dito rin muna ako takman. One right. So we also learned na pwede nila palang for orders and delivery. Just download po or go to mangan.ph or Foodpanda and then search siya po in Crabs and Crack. So they're gonna deliver your order anywhere in San Fernando. So yung seafood bucket tamo, it comes with 3 orders of rice. So tingnan mo naman 1 feature of iced tea. That's only 999 pesos. Shareable up until 3 to 4 person. Siyempre, AMI dayo kini kaya tamo amazing sukang something. Pero manyama yung special sukay niya. What? Hotel Lala. Walang tayo tantaba. Natin naman nasi. Best. Atin tamon din tanga ba yung dish yan o. So pininiing karelang baby back ribs. So it's only 649 pesos. Takman tayo. Baby back ribs, meron ba? Wow. Alam nyo rin karelang paro, pangatagol tawag. Hindi naman yung takman-tama. Bumigay kang palas na buong kasulam. Kaya ba't yun yung paro niya palaso? Naman na. Sample crab. Ito suotin lang pamuring unlimited seafood bucket for only 695 pesos. Seafood all you can. Sakto kabalin packet ko kaya kayo na on a constant basis, they deliver the crabs from Masantol, from the farm, hanggang kining restaurant mo packet ko kaya kayo. Arena. So here are the crabs according to the restaurant. So around 180 to 200 kilograms of crabs are being consumed every day. Lamentala. So, numbisa na naman fresh crabs, they also sell here at the restaurant. So, it's 700 pesos per kilogram. Ayan, no? Mabiyala pong mabiyarin, pero later on, oh no, they're gonna be eaten. Again, congratulations Crabs and Craft for the opening of your second branch. For those of you guys who want to know their promo, make sure to like their page. So this coming May 21, 22, and 23, it's their grand launching. So atin lang pong buy one, take one for take out, and then 20% discount for dine-in. So we're gonna continue eating. Thank you so much for being with us. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, tag your friends, your family. Enjoy seafood here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Bye!